Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. So you need to go to Google website and click sign in and create new account. Choose for yourself or to business, it's up to you. And here you will need to fill in some details. It will give you a sample new Gmail that will be created with this account. You can also change it and type something else, or you can use your current email instead. It will also ask you to put a password here. Then click next. You will need to add a mobile number and that the digit code is going to be saved to just in this box. And then you will click next. Okay, so after inputting your number, you will receive this a digit code, 6-digit code, and you will need to input it to proceed further. Then you can put recovery address of the previous email, and you will need to set up your date of birth, and you can choose to share what gender you are if you want to, and click agree to the terms. And here we are. Now you've got your own Google account that will allow you an access to Google Drive, and that's where you are going to create the files that you're going to share. Thank you.